Hi guys, welcome to our channel Simple Math. Today I will explain another example about order of operations, PEMDAS in other words. Here we have a little improvement according to the previous example I record. This exercise has additions, parentheses, a subtraction, it has a multiplication, it has exponents, and it has also a division, right? So I'm going to use PEMDAS. Remember the way PEMDAS works. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But I forgot to tell you something very important in the previous video, and is this. Multiplication and divisions, yes, that's the order, but it works from left to right. And this one, which is addition and subtraction, also works in the same way. From left to right. Okay? From left to right. So let's work. Let's work based on PEMDAS. PEMDAS means parentheses. Do we have a parenthesis? Yes. Look, we have a parenthesis. But inside the parentheses, we have to apply PEMDAS as well. How do we solve these parentheses? What do we solve first? The subtraction or the exponent? According to PEMDAS, the first thing to solve is the exponent because it works parentheses, then exponent. So, but we cannot solve the parentheses if we cannot solve the exponent first. So, this is going to be, I'm going to focus in this part, okay? So, I'm going to write it, 12 plus parentheses, 40 minus, how much is 6 to the power of 2? 6 to the power of 2 is 6 times 6, which is 36. I close the parentheses, times 5 to the power of 2 divided by 2. Okay? Now I'm going to continue using PEMDAS. Parentheses, yes, here we have a parenthesis. Remember, we are working the parentheses. 40 minus 36, that's very easy. So I'm going to repeat everything the same. 12 plus 40 minus 36 is 4. Yes, 4. But this is the solution of, sorry, I have to write it in red. 4. Okay, this 4 is the solution of this parenthesis, so it's not necessary to write the parenthesis again. Times 5 to the power of 2 divided by 2. Now, I'm going to use PEMDAS again. Parenthesis doesn't have. Exponent. Does it have an exponent? Yes. Here we have an exponent. You see? Now we have to solve that exponent. So I will repeat everything the same. Yes, but I will write the solution of this exponent. How much is 5 to the power of 2? 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 5, which is 25. 25 divided by 2. Now I will continue using PEMDAS. Parenthesis doesn't have. Exponent doesn't have. Multiplication and division from left to right. We have a multiplication and we have a division. What do we have to solve first? From left to right, the first operation I get is a multiplication. So I'm going to solve this multiplication. Okay? So this is going to be equal than 12 plus, how much is 4 times 25? If you work out, the answer is 100. 100 divided by 2. And then I'm going to apply PEMDAS again. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to write the 100 in red, which is the solution. This is not mandatory. It's just I'm changing the color because I want you to be in the exercise focused. And that's it. Now I'm going to apply PEMDAS again. Parentheses doesn't have. Exponent doesn't have. Multiplication and division from left to right. We have a division. Yes? So I'm going to focus in this division. How much is 100 divided by 2? It's easy. 12 plus 100 divided by 2 is 50. Okay? And now it's very easy to solve 12 plus 50, which is 62, which is going to be the final answer of my exercise, right? This is the way we work with PEMDAS. I expect or I hope you have understood many things in this video. Remember, it's very important to memorize PEMDAS. I'm going to record another one, which is going to be a little bit harder than this one. Thanks for watching Simple Math and see you next time. Bye-bye.